Today I'm going to show you the great way to wire a three-way switch. Let's start. So here you have your common. Common goes into common. So most mistakes people make is leaving a piece of strand outside the contact point, which then shorts on your mud ring. Okay, as soon as that in, give it a little tug, and that's it. Now for your two travelers. And you also want to make sure that most of your copper wire, it's not sticking out. It shouldn't be in like that. It should be in all the way. That's why you have a wire strip gauge on your switch. And now for your other traveler. Okay, now you can see that's all in. Nice and snug. Now for the last part, the most important part, your grounding. You want to try and loop it around there, in the same direction as your screw. And there you have it. Three-way switch.